In this one, go. Nice. Throw it hard. Nice. That's actually a pretty cool game. Nice.
It drops things. Those things are so rigged.
Everybody knows that, buddy. So, in other words, I spent $3 in this.
Sure did.
That was a good spin. You've got 150 miles.
Nice. Were you supposed to hit them all? You're too slow, dude. Game over.
How'd you do that, Manny?
Space Needle. One of the last things we're probably gonna do. This is the Space Needle in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Let's take a closer look. Well, let's look all around it. Look at this.
This is not like the sky bridge that literally reminds you of how you
Yeah, right there. Mountains. There is a bunch of cabins. This is what we did yesterday, if you guys remember. And then up here is the sky bridge. So when myself and little Manny and Fabian were walking, and you guys saw the glass, it was that bridge right there. Just gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. What's wrong, buddy?
Two hands and your toes to the white part.
Lawless care. Let's take a look inside. Look down there.
Oh my god!
That's pretty high.
I didn't even do it. I told him to do it.
Really? That's not too bad, Lolo. You could just come here and look. Look. Not bad at all, buddy. Sitting right here having a great time. It's God's creation. You want to look in there? Can you see something? What do you can see in there? See if you can see. Can you see anything? Nothing?
Anybody else really dizzy?
Oh my gosh, we're done?
Want to play again? Want to do another one?
No.
No? You good there?
I think putting you guys.
I know my least favorite was. I love the bumper cars.
You happy now that we went laser tagging? What?
Yes, I did like going laser tagging.
So you really happy?
Yes.
Who won?
So no more complaining?
No, I'm not complaining.
Was it sad when you lost at laser tag a lot?
I was making first place.
You all lost.
Manny was the one hitting you guys. Oh, hitting Mama all the time.
Yeah, killing me.
I know. This thing was fun. Oh, that's the Blue Line Tactical thing?
Yeah, come on.
Blue Line Tactical and Practical. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool.
So do you want me to go run up the stairs like Rocky?
Yeah. It's like a whole police officer store. That's cool. Pretty much how I feel right here. Oh, this is cool. I'm buying this. This pancake thing was amazing. I feel like a potato and a half. Okay, we're going to a Brazilian steakhouse. Gacho Urbano. Too many restaurants because we're fat. Red, no meat. You put it on green, they bring you meat. You put it on red, they don't bring you no meat. Okay, a little bit of salad right here, cheese, ranch. Everything is really fancy, really nice. It looks delicious. The cheese is just amazing. So like I said, while this is green, they bring you meat. If you turn it red, it's kind of like taking a break. You decided to eat?
I am.
Bananas, potatoes, fried bananas. What is this?
I can't remember.
I don't know, but it's good.
I gotta take a picture of this one.
I bet you this picanha is better than the one I made.
Oh.
Oh, la picanha. Gosh, look at that.
You want it?
I can't do it no more.
Turn it around. There you go.
I'm
Move your
dying.
hands. Move your hands. Okay, we're taking the trash out of the truck and we are leaving. But before we leave, I actually wanted to come up here and take a picture of this. Oh gosh, that took me a minute. All right, let's see. Wow, there's a lot of trash here. That's insane. Look at this. All right, so let me see if I could get some good footage. Look at over there. Well, goodbye Tennessee in these mountains. We literally had a really fantastic time. Appreciate everybody that watched the videos. Appreciate everybody that made comments and all that good stuff. It's time to go home and back to do motor vlogs, or yeah, motor vlogs. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.